Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gav, and today's video I'm going to talk about the best investment you can make for yourself. So you may be asking why I'm outside and not in my home. Is there a reason why? I'm actually outside on the track. I just finished working out. I did a 1 mile run, and then I did a 1 mile run with push-ups interval and 30 push-ups in between the mile. So let's talk about the best investment you can make for yourself. The best investment you can make for yourself, in my opinion, and I believe the best you can do, is invest in your health. So for example, staying fit, being outside, doing some activity for at least 30 minutes, be it walking, running, jogging, hiking, cycling, anything that is active for at least for me, at least to do a high beats per minute workout, staying active is for at least 60 minutes, for an hour. I do strength and training, I lift weights, and I do running, most of them at the same time, just because I need to get my running at least for that day. I feel like shit if I don't get a run at least like a mile or half a mile for that day. So the best investment you can make, in my opinion, and it will be different for different people, is for me is your health, staying healthy. If you stay healthy, you can spend time with your family longer. Staying fit means you live longer and enjoy your time, your freedom, your investments, and you can go travel and without any illness. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions about fitness, staying healthy, comment down below. If you haven't, please consider subscribing and like this video. Talk about investments and personal finance. And today I just talked about the best investment you can make for yourself. For me, at least, is staying healthy, staying active. All right, if you have any comments, concerns, comment down below. I'll go warm, I'll cool down, and I'll post this video.